Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Sidhu summoned to meet Sonia Gandhi amid talks of elevations as Punjab Congress chief. Punjab Congress leader Navjot Singh Sindhu has been summoned to meet party president Sonia Gandhi amid the buzz that he is likely to be appointed Punjab Congress chief. Dissident Congress leader Navjot Sindhu will be meeting Sonia Gandhi at her team Janpath residence on Friday morning. The meeting will also be attended by Congress Punjab in charge Harish Rawat. The meeting is likely to take place around 12 noon. Navjot Singh Sindhu had left Patiala around 6 am on Friday. Sources said that he had been summoned by the party high command in New Delhi. The meeting with Sonia Gandhi comes a day after Congress sources said that the party has reached a truce between the Punjab CM Saft Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sindhu, who have been warring over the past several months. Harish Rawat had told India Today TV on Thursday that both the leaders have to work together. We are going into the elections with Amrinder Singh as the Chief Minister, Harish Rawat told India Today. Ahead of the likely revamp in Punjab Congress, hectic political activity was at play in the state with CM Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sindhu meeting the party legislators on Thursday. Sidhu, who may be declared the state party chief, met 4 ministers at these 6 MLAs at the residence of jails Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa. Back in Antigua, Mehul Choksi says kidnapping by Indian agencies left permanent scars on soul. A day after returning to Antigua from Dominica, convicted Diamantary Mehul Choksi released an explosive audio tape accusing Indian agencies of executing a brazen kidnapping. In the audio accessed by India Today, on the run, Diamantary has claimed the alleged kidnapping has left permanent scars on his soul. I am back home, but this torture has left permanent scars on my psychology and physically. Rather, permanent scars on my soul, Mehul Choksi said in the audio clip. Choksi, who went missing from Antigua on May 25, was arrested by Dominican authorities for alleged entering the country illegally. However, Mehul Choksi has throughout maintained that he was kidnapped, tortured, and forcefully taken to Dominica. I could have never imagined that after closing all my businesses and seizing all my properties, a kidnapping attempt would be made on me by the Indian agencies. I was always hearing about it, but I never believed that they could go to this extent. When I am legally contesting and exercising my legal rights here in Antigua, Mehul Choksi further said. Mehul Choksi is an accused in the multi-crore Punjab National Bank fraud case. He and his nephew Nirav Modi are wanted for allegedly siphoning rupees 13,500 crore of public money from the state fund, Punjab National Bank, using letters of undertaking. Tokyo 2020. Egoist Manish Kaushik, a fan of Vijender Singh, wants to emulate his childhood hero at Olympics. Tokyo-bound boxer Manish Kaushik hails from Devsar village about 5 km from the cradle of Indian boxing Bhiwani. It is not surprising that Kaushik's initiations into the sport coincided with boxing phenomenal rise in India after Vijender Singh, one of Bhiwani's most famous songs, became the country's first Olympic medalist in the sport with a bronze in 2008 Beijing Games. Before that, boxing for Manish was just a sport, but then it turned into a passion when Vijender won the exclusive bronze. Manish must be 12 when the Vijender won the Olympic medal. After that, boxing became a famous sport in Haryana because of Vijender. He found it very attractive and decided to take it up as a career. Because Manish's elder brother Bipin Kaushik is an exclusive interview with India Today in. Cut to present, Manish 25 has booked his berth from the upcoming Tokyo Olympics in the 63 kg category and is gunning for glory at the Tokyo Olympics. He injured his right hand during the bout, and when he returned home, there was a little chance of him making it into the Olympics if it would have gone as scheduled, said people. The COVID-19 pandemic came as a blessing for Mani, and he got an ample amount of time to recover. The postponement of the Olympics helped him recover. However, I still remember how he was unable to land punches with his right fist. I have seen tears in his eyes every time he used to hit at the punching bag, said Vipin. India's first boxing medal in the Olympics came in 2008 when Vijender Singh claimed the middleweight bronze, followed by Mary Com's medal in 2012. Kaushik's fearlessness makes him a hot prospect to follow into the footsteps of Vijender and further enhance Bhiwani Ever's grow reputation, but it is going to be a long road for Manish to achieve that dream. But the light welterweight boxer knows the importance of patience and perseverance, and he is just off the gloves.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.